Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to do a quick tutorial on how to make gesso, clear and white gesso. I've got white gesso here, so I'm not going to actually make any. I've also got clear gesso here. And I recommend getting one of these containers. You can get them at the dollar store. That's just clear gesso. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some PVA glue. I recommend Elmer's because it's cheap. You can use either the clear or the white. It doesn't matter. So you're going to get your container. So you're going to do 1 part glue and 1 part water. And a 1/4 cup cornstarch for clear gesso. That's it. For white gesso, it's the exact same. 1 part glue, 1 part water, a 1/4 cup cornstarch. And then you're going to use one of these. Well, this is ivory. I didn't have white, but white acrylic paint. Preferably the same amount is what's in the glue, because you want equal amounts. And you don't have to worry about it being white, the white glue for the clear gesso, because mixed with the water and the cornstarch, it will be clear when it dries. So you don't have to worry about that. Although clear glue also works if you'd rather use the clear glue for the clear gesso. That is it. That is how you make. I also recommend a couple of drops of isopropyl alcohol in with the mixture. It'll last over a year, possibly close to 3 years, because I've had a bottle that's, I've had a mixture that's lasted that long. But it's a lot cheaper to make than it is to actually purchase. And then you can make as much or as little as you need. Especially if you have like the gallon jugs of Elmer's glue. I recommend buying them that because it's actually cheaper. I think you can get like a whole gallon for like $10. And essentially you could have a whole gallon of gesso for that price. House paint, white acrylic house paint also works if you don't have this type. But yeah, if you want white gesso. If you want colored gesso, then you use whatever paint color you want. And yeah, and it's great for mixed media and things of that nature. But just a quick video to show you guys how easy it is to make clear and white gesso. So when we come back, we'll be working on a new journal. I won't show you which one yet, but we'll get to that. It's for a design team project for Kyung. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys back here again really soon. Bye.